What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's 10:30 in the morning and I am already up right after I finished the Mercedes C-Class that I was working for 3 days earlier. So today I will be working on the CRZ and I'm going to show you guys this. What they say about looks can be deceiving. Check this out. The car looks freaking shiny when there is not enough light, but the moment you put a light on it, bam, all the scratches and swirls are revealed. So I'll be working on this car, doing a full correction and then decontamination, and then finally on the final step it will be a coating. So I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Yo guys, so I have completed the CRZ and it is looking amazing guys. Check this out. So damn glossy. I love white when it's in the evening when the light is soft and all. It really brings out the color. So I did a full decontamination on the car. I did a polish for the car as well. There were some repainted panels that I corrected, and then most of the other surface is just original paint, but it required some attention. So after removing all the damage, I layer it with a layer of coating and then it's done. So that's the car. So I'm now waiting for my client to come and pick up the car, so I'm just gonna end the video here. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press on the bell button for post notifications, and I will see you guys soon.